This is a supported band hip hinge. So you're gonna get a heavy power band, anchor it somewhere at the knees or even a little lower is fine. You're gonna get this around the hips. You're gonna get some pretty good tension on it. So we want this tension because we're gonna then release the hips. But we need something in front of us. A bench works great at home. This could be a sturdy chair or coffee table. I'm gonna get my feet about shoulder width apart. The first move here is to actually just let everything relax while keeping a grip on the bench. So what's happening here is if I have enough tension on the band then shifts my weight backwards. If the band's below my hips, shifts my hips backwards in kind of a downward angle. My weight's on my heels here. I can totally relax. If your back is sore, this can often feel great. Just to hang out here and do some deep diaphragmatic breathing into your abdomen and lower ribs. But the exercise that we're really going for is just to move from here. So I want to get my butt, my glutes firing to drive my hips forward. So the move is I'm going to go from weight on my heels, squeezing my glute, pushing my pockets forward into the band as my weight slowly shifts over my hands, and then I come back. A little brace of the core, like somebody's gonna poke you, is all you need here. But what we're trying to do is get the hips to move from this bent hip position into a straight hip position. And this particular setup makes it hard, not possible, but hard to use the back to do so. It just doesn't feel natural for most people to use the back. So we should feel a lot of work here, squeezing your glutes like you're squeezing your butt cheeks, coming up and down. Then do about 20 reps. You should feel pretty good, no pain during this. When I'm out of the band, what we're going for is hips back, hips forward, but that's the glutes doing it. Often with back pain, the back tries to help. It tries to arch, or even if there's no visible arching, those muscles of the back are lighting up. So we're taking this position here and trying to stand it up in a very similar position with the glutes engaged. And then as you go to pick things up throughout the day, as you go to walk, you want to feel the glutes engaged rather than just the low back extend.